Good morning, my student. Today we are going to study trigonometry. This is for the science section, okay? And I'm going to start with the first lesson about the angle of elevation and the angle of depression. We talked this part before in secondary one, but we are going to study it each point, okay, by each point. First of all, what is the meaning of angle of elevation? Angle of elevation means that we are looking for something upward. So if this is the line of the horizontal line, and I'm going to look upward, okay? What is the meaning of angle of depression? Means I'm looking for something downward, okay? So I'm here the horizontal line, and I'm looking downward, okay? Very important notes I have to know that the angle of elevation equals the angle of depression by this way. Of course, because this is of alternate angles, two alternate angles. This is the horizontal ray, and this is the parallel ray to the horizontal. And if I make an angle like this, so the angle of depression equals the angle of elevation. Here I have very important notes again, the position of each point, okay? Here the point A, the first point, is lie on the ray X or the ray O, okay? So if I sorry, again, the point A is lie on the ray OA, so this is the east and this is the north, west and south. So if I want to know the position of A according to the origin point, is said to be lie east of O. And if I want to know the position of the point B, is said to be north of west. Sorry, the north of east. Why north of east? Because it make an angle 45 degree. Okay, so when it make angle 45, it's said to be north of east. Why north of east? Between the east and north. So I say north first. Okay, north of east. Now, what is the position of the point C? This C, it makes 70 degree with the horizontal line, so it's said to be 70 north of west. Why north and west? Because it between the north and west. Okay, so I say the measure of the angle and north first, then west. Okay, tap. For example, if it make an angle 50, so it will be 50 north of west. Tap here, if it make an angle 30, so it will be 30 north of east. By the same way, here D make 25 with the west, and it between west and north, so it's going to be 25 south of west. Okay, what about the angle E? E is on the vertical line downward, so it are going to say south of the angle, the point O. Okay, here I refresh your memory about the sine law. About the sine law, what was our sine rule? Sine rule was the side divided the sine of the opposite angle is r in ratio or r proportional together. That means if I want to say that the side AB opposite to the angle C, يبقى AB over sine angle C equal the AC divided by sine the angle B, and it's equal to CB divided the sine of angle A. And if you remember that the exterior angle, this is an exterior angle, okay, equals the measure the sum of measure of non-adjacent angles. That means an angle ACD equal measure of angle A plus of angle B. These rules we are going to use it in our